अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न अबाउट इस्लाम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन इस्लाम। जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन इस्लाम के सबसे पहले हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन इस्लाम इंचार्ज दवा सेंटर फॉर वुमेन दवा अकेडमी, जनरल सेक्रेटरी वुमेन ट्रस्ट पाकिस्तान, प्रेसिडेंट पाकिस्तान चैप्टर इंटरनेशनल मुस्लिम वुमेन यूनियन। Women in major world religious, women in the Christianity, women in Judaism, women in Hinduism, women in Buddhism, women in Islam. Woman is various civilization: Greek civilization, Roman civilization, Chinese civilization, Arabian, and Western civilization. Emancipation of women by Islam. Islam absolves women of the blame of original conferred to her social, economic, and political rights as a human being, reinforced her womanhood by providing respect as daughter, sister, wife, mother. Right of women, right to life, right of protection of honor, love, and respect to be brought upon grounds, right to educational acquisition of knowledge, right of economic provision, maintained by father, brother, uncle to earn a livelihood, job, entrepreneur. Right of women in Islam, right to worship, ownership of property, right of inheritance of property, freedom of expression, speech, right to vote, basic political right to hold any public or political office, to participate in any social activity impacting education, helping crisis situation, performing charitable acts. Rights of women in Islam, constitution in marriage, to have consent in marriage, right of dower, right of maintained by husband, right to separation, fuller dissolution through a court, right of child custody in the case of separation, right to remarry. 5 expectation provided to women, economic provision for herself or the family, prayers in congregation, Friday prayers, funeral prayers, jihad, fighting in the battlefield, providing evidence in the criminal cases, gender equality of status, creation of both gender from nafse wahida, superiority not of basic physical or psychological capability, rather on performance on the conception of ethical and unethical. उसके बाद है जेंडर अप्रोच इन इस्लाम, इक्वल सोशल राइट्स, इक्वलिटी ऑफ लीगल स्टेटस, राइट्स, लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी ऑफ मोरल कमांड्स एंड अकाउंटेबल. Gender approach in Islam as an individual person, equality of status, moral and legal freedom of action, equality of basic rights, equal indication of Allah orders, equally accountable, equally of reward as a member of institution of family in Islam, basic and most important components of society, scared not indissoluble demarcation of responsibility for efficient management of family. Institute role definition: husband identified as head of the family, wife identified as a sovereign guardian and center of the family. Co-equal men are common protectors and maintainers of women, because Allah has given one more interest than other, because they support them from their means. Wife identify as a guardians and center of the family. All of you are guardians and responsible for our wards and the things under your care. A man guardians of his family and is responsible for them. A woman is guardian of her husband, home, children and responsible for them. All of you are graduation guardians. All of you are responsible for your wards. Superiority of husband in the family, not personal rather than functional, and administration not to club women advancement, not to affect freedom of action on the part of women, does not have absolute binding, does not imply or suggest constant As an individual, purchasing and buying is greater purchasing chastity, primary responsibility of earning and living for himself, wife, children, parents, other dependents. Responsible towards wife providing champions love and respect, food, clothing, shelter, medical, recreation, education, and tarbiyah, helping from for all due responsibilities responsible toward household, building or renting, furnishing, maintenance, repairs, economic provision for related expenditures, purchasing, shopping, helping family member in house, responsible toward as an individual worship and obeying her creator, observing chastity, can work a role providing champions love and respect, obey husband, administrative requirement of an institution. ये तो हमारा आज का टॉपिक। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा। लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।